We are here at Saturn Road Church of Christ. This is our disaster relief center that has been set up to help citizens get relief and also to coordinate volunteers for the cleanup effort. On May 28th, the city suffered a severe storm, one like we have not seen before, even surpassing some of the tornadoes we've had. We had 70, 80, up to 95 mile an hour winds sustained across a path across the city. So this storm is very spread out across the full width of the city. And it has given us some unprecedented power outages and repairs that we are making on a scale that we have not seen across the city. But now we're starting to focus on getting relief to residents. If they need help with debris removal, tarping roofs, household supplies, cleaning supplies, those types of things, that's what this center is set up for.
People are here waiting for you. Please come and we will help you. You're seeing people put together wheelbarrows. We'll send a crew to your house to help. We'll let you check out tools to help. We have a truckload of disaster materials to give you, cleaning materials, food for a week in a box, everything that you need. We want you to come and ask.
So I'm so excited for the City of Garland to partner with Serving God by Serving Others, sgso.org. They are an organization that comes through and fills the gaps that residents need where, we're waiting for electricity crews to turn on power. They're helping clear debris and make repairs to homes, things that the city can't quite cover during this time of recovery. So please join us here today at 3030 Saturn Road Church of Christ. Look for a big white tent, and you can also text 972-997-1836. Again, that's 972-997-1836.
1, 2, 3.
If you need assistance, we're here to help. If you are ready, we need volunteers as well. So please come and help everybody recover from this storm. Thank you.